Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on Fetch or ASI. It's been a while since I covered this, so for those of you who are interested in my Fetch and ASI content, I'm sorry, but honestly not much was going on with Fetch or with ASI, and yeah, I'm going to call it ASI. No, I'm going to call it Fetch, by the way, because we still don't really have any real rebranding, or at least as far as I know, the phase 2 of the entire merger between obviously Ocean Protocol, Ajax, and Fetch. I think phase 2 hasn't actually been completed yet, and we're still waiting for the ASI mainnet. So that could be bullish in the future. For now, that's not really doing anything. But yeah, wanted to do a full update in this video. As you can see, the volume is actually up nicely here. And yesterday we actually got some bullish momentum as well. Outside of that, I think we're actually at a relatively interesting price area here. So enough to talk about. Hopefully it's valuable for you. I will at least try my best to kind of prepare you for what's possible here. So let's get right into it. So in general, starting off with the structure for Fetch, I think it's quite clear. And this has been the structure for a very long time already as well. And that is a consolidation. We've had two kind of deviations from the trend right here in August, when the market was very, very bearish. Obviously, we had a deviation. But also right here, at the end of November, beginning of December, when the market was very, very bullish, we also had a deviation. But for the majority of the time, we've been consolidating between 1.7 area and the 1.1 area. And that consolidation is still holding. And that's the first reason why I think Fetch is actually quite interesting. Because what we have seen so far is that we've actually gotten a nice bounce from the bottom of the range. And the main question always is with a range like this is, well, all right, well, do we have some sort of an indication? Do we have some sort of a reason to believe that the range is not going to hold? And at this point of time, the answer for me is no. So ultimately, and I think there's two scenarios here, but ultimately, and we'll get to that later, but ultimately I expect this, all right? A move at least back up to the top of the range. And from there, we'll see again. And getting back up to the top of the range also has the fundamentals behind us a bit, because I cannot find the news article that quick. But yesterday we got the news that Trump was investing in a lot of private AI infrastructure, which caused AI coins to pump quite a bit. Especially WorldCoin did quite well, but Fetch actually went up quite a bit as well, as you can see right here. So fundamentally, that could be a reason why AI coins could perform and get up to 1.7, but potentially also break out above 1.7. At this point of time, I would say it's a little it's not enough yet. I mean, we had quite a lot of volume coming in, as you can see in the evening after the news. But the volume only being up 2.6% after news like that is not enough for me to say that there's going to be an AI narrative rally yet, like we saw, for example, as some of you might still remember in 2024 when we rallied a huge amount. So that I do not think, but I still do expect this move. For me, it's just a question. Will we pull back into the support level once more, like we have done quite a bit in the past? Find support there, maybe go a bit lower down to $1 and then get up. So basically this. Or will we just be able to get a breakout here above the POC around 1.31.5 cents and get up to that level right here? And honestly, it's very hard to kind of know which one of these is going to happen, because it depends on a huge amount of factors. For me, it depends most on Bitcoin. And to be a little bit on the conservative side and looking at the push that we had for AI since yesterday, I think that's a sign that AI is not ready yet. So I think it's a little bit more likely that we'll get one more move down into that level between 1.15 and $1. Find support there, then we'll bounce, and then we can get up to 1.7. But I will keep you updated on this. The main magic level to keep an eye on is 1.32. That's the POC, so that's the level where most volume has been traded in the entire range. If we break above that with strength, I'm probably wrong. All right, so keep an eye on that as well. But for now, I think that's what you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.